I'm going to be singing the song by Miley Cyrus. I can almost feel that dream I'm dreaming of. There's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I move feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. I gotta keep moving forward, hold my hand. 'Cause it's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. But sometimes I'm gonna have those. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting in the others.